Hello, my name is Ariane Lacra, and today I'm going to talk to you about a piece by the American composer and pedagogue William Gillock. The piece is titled Fountain in the Rain, and it was written in 1960 by Gillock. He was born in Missouri and moved to New Orleans at a young age, where he taught piano for many years before becoming a children's composer and an adjudicator at the Junior Pianist Guild competitions for decades, which involved over 1,400 students. He's often considered the shoe bear of children's composers, and he wrote lots of pedagogical music for the beginner and intermediate level. So a little bit more about the piece I will demonstrate for you. Fountain in the Rain. It is pedagogically beneficial because it trains the student to use a touch in their left hand, a kind of bouncy touch like this, with a firm, curved fingertip and a flexible wrist that allows the hand to move around and emulate the sound of a bell tolling. And instead of a bell tolling in this piece, the idea is each one of these tones is actually maybe like a drop of rain or a drop of a fountain that is operating during a rainstorm. Very beautiful, watery sound. It's an excellent piece for a student who needs to improve their posture, their wrist flexibility, and gesturing and arm weight, okay? The second reason this piece is beneficial pedagogically is because it trains the student to understand things like cadenzas and right hand harmonies, like the broken chords played by the right hand need to be played with a lighter touch than most intermediate pieces right hands that have the melody. So that makes this piece unusual, is that the left hand is the one driving the melody. Okay, and finally the third reason why this is a beneficial piece for a student to learn is that the piece teaches the student to remain balanced and grounded during frequent hand crossing. This piece is full of hand crossing all throughout, so they'll get adept at that. My favorite part is the appeal of this piece. The piece is appealing for three different reasons. The first one being it has a beautiful, vibrant, adventurous, modern sounding melody and harmonies that change and evolve as the piece goes on. Number two, the piece gives the student the opportunity to express themselves freely and play rubato in some areas, such as the cadenza. Number three, the piece is especially great for students who are above elementary age and are excited to play fast-paced pieces due to their increasingly vigorous motor abilities in their hand that are newly found, around puberty, when they're really starting to just be able to articulate better and use their fingers in a more deft, quick-moving fashion. Okay? So without further ado, let me demonstrate Fountain in the Rain for you. you and have a great day.